So good morning everyone. So today I'm in Pinilla. It's a lovely little hamlet here on the Costa.Calida. I've got some beautiful properties to show you today. They are very Spanish, traditional but modern properties. So let's go in and have a look around this one. Now this is one of the properties. As you can see, there's a pedestrian gate as well as off-road parking, but you also have a room down there, sheds and that, and we'll have a look at that later. Okay, now this comes with a garage or a workroom, whichever you like. This is the garage just in here. So as we walk in, you can see there's fridge freezers in here, so you know you've got electrics in here. You've got plenty of shelving and windows, and plenty of shelving just over there. So the door itself is electric, and this is your garden. You've got a lovely olive tree out here and a small olive tree to the side. Now just coming up here, you've got a little terrace here. And on this little terrace you can put some rattan furniture, and these are just storage for your shoes or whatever before you go into the house. The house has a bell and a socket and switch there. It's also got blackout blinds on the windows, and you've got a light overhead. Okay, so let's go inside. So as I walk in, immediately you can see there is an intercom here in this property. This is a different layout to the other property, but still a 3-bedroomed, 2-bathroomed. So you have patio doors out onto your outside space there. You've got spotlights above, just there. And I'm just going to walk down the other end of the room and pan around for you guys. Now, as you can see, the windows there are reflective windows. Windows have kind of a reflective screen on them, so people can't see in, but you can see out. And it keeps that hot sun from penetrating the window as well, there in the front of the property. So I just want to move around and just show you. So nice, large living space. Now, you have the monkeys here, you have the staircase here, and we just go out here first. So in here is a small bathroom. You've got a shower cubicle with your light above. You also have your WC and sink and vanity unit. You have a mirror there with an overhead light as well. So nice little shower room. Just in here is your kitchen. Kitchen has plenty of storage. It's got top and base units. It's got granite effect worktops. You've got your hob electric and your electric oven. You've got a hood extractor there as well, and your sink and drainer and your washing machine. If I just come down here, pan around for you. And like the other property, it has frosted glass windows in the doorway there. Just to show you that. Now out here is the garden, and again there's patio doors on either side. So I just come down here, pan around for you. We got the walls are raised for privacy here, so that's great. And this is a lovely private area. So you've got patio doors there, and both have overhead lights. You've got your blackout blinds as well there also. So a nice little area. This is quite private. I'd probably put a hot tub out here. It's so private, you know, and just enjoy the sunshine. So I'm going back in. Nice kitchen. Now let's go over here. Now this is a downstairs bedroom, and you have nice single bed there, some office space and storage. Really lovely bedroom with spotlights. They've also got insect screens and security locks throughout the property, and you have your double wardrobe there as well. So I'm going to take you upstairs now, and I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. Got some lovely lighting coming up the stairs, and you got spotlights above. Now we go in here first into this room. Now this is the bathroom. You got a sink and vanity unit. You got a bath with your shower attachment, and you got a frosted glass window there. It's all fully tiled, and you got your WC with some storage. It's a very large bathroom, I got to say, nice and spacious. And you got your mirror with your overhead light and your shaving socket. Just above, you got a nice standard light there. Lovely terracotta flooring as well throughout. And this just flows through the house. So I'm just going to take you in here. So this is another bedroom. This is quite a large bedroom. It's got 2 single beds, but you could easily put a super king bed in here. No problem at all. So I'm just going to shut the door behind me, pan around so it gives you a feel for the room. So really large bedroom. So you have double wardrobes and overhead storage there, but like I said, quite easily you could put a super king size bed in here, no problem. And it overlooks the beautiful countryside and the village. So let me take you into the next room. So let's go in and have a look around the third bedroom. Now this has beautiful views from these patio windows. You have a lovely Juliet balcony here as well. Plenty of storage in here. Just shut the door so I get a good feel for the room. So you got a window there as well. Just pan around, give you a good feel for this room. So you got your double bed, your double wardrobe with the overhead storage. Just above you got your spotlights. Now if I come up here, you know guys, I like to give you a good feel of the room as if you're here with me, so you get a good impression of the property. So you have, of course, this terracotta flooring going throughout the property up here. So really very nice. So I'm going to show you now another part of the property. As you know, you have that lovely large garage downstairs, and we have another part which I'm quite excited to show you. Now I've just come down the staircase, just thought I'd give you a quick memory of this room. We've come down that beautiful staircase, and we're just going out and about, and I'm going to take you around to the shed. So let's walk around. As you can see, you can get some lovely rattan furniture, and you've got storage there for your shoes or your flip-flops. You have a step down. This is a very low maintenance garden as well, which is great. So we're going to take you down here, and we have a look down here. It's a beautiful sunny day here. Absolutely stunning. So you've got a room here that you can just use for storage or whatever you want. So it's being used for storage. You've got 2 windows there and a light, and you've got a light above as well. You've got plenty of top and base units. You've got non-slip mat on the floor and plenty of shelving. So this is in addition to this property. Okay. Now guys, what do you think of this one? Now we have 3 of these properties all in the same street, but with all different layouts. They're all 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So if you and your extended family wanted to buy them, that would be great because you'd be all very close together. But this is a beautiful little hamlet, La Pinilla, and you're overlooking that wonderful countryside as well. You've got some nice outside space and lovely walks throughout the countryside here. You're very close to Murcia International Airport, and it's a short drive, lovely scenic route down to the beaches. So if you're interested in this property, I will leave the reference in the title of this video. I'll also try and link the other 2 properties with this property so you can have a look at all 3 at once as well. So that might help you guys out. So until the next time, don't forget to share on your social media because somebody out there is going to love this property. So until the next time, have an amazing day and I see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.